Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting water and isolating power. Turn both shut-off valves and place a bucket under the spout. Remove the sensor module battery pack or unplug the transformer. Wait 30 seconds to force a full electronic reset. While you wait, grab a Phillips and flat screwdriver, a multimeter, fresh alkaline batteries, and a small bottle of electrical contact cleaner. Once the unit is powerless and accessible, you can open the housing and begin inspection of connections and the sensor window. You now remove the sensor cover and visually inspect the circuit board and connectors for corrosion or loose wires. Use your multimeter to check transformer output at the plug and voltage at the sensor terminal. A healthy unit typically shows the rated voltage on the label. If the board shows corrosion or the sensor output fluctuates, replace the sensor board. If the solenoid valve fails continuity or sticks, swap it. While installing replacements, make sure connectors seat firmly and seals stay clean. You reconnect the power and then slowly open the water supply while watching for leaks and listening for a solenoid click when the sensor activates. Test hand activation at varying distances and angles. Make adjustments to the sensor sensitivity if available. Tighten any loose fittings and replace worn O-rings or gaskets to prevent drips. If the faucet still fails, use the manual override to confirm the valve works, then swap the control box. If problems persist, record error behavior for a part-specific diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.